walk by the Dollar Tree sticker aisle and think I would love to buy some of those, but I have no idea what I would do with them? In today's episode, I've got you covered. We're going to cover 10 genius ways to use Dollar Tree stickers. Some you might have heard of, some you might not have, but let's jump on in and find out what kind of fun ways we can use these stickers. So it is garage sale season, one of my favorite things to do, and I'm not a real big lover of having garage sales, but I learned this hack not too long ago, and so I thought I would share it with you guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick up some of these smiley face stickers, and actually you can use any stickers that you find there, but you're going to get a poster board of some kind for the beginning of your garage sale when people walk in, and you're going to place these stickers onto your poster board. You're going to put the type of amount that you want each sticker to stand for, and then you're going to have that displayed somewhere big that people can see. As they go around in the garage sale, you're going to label your items with those stickers as well, so you can see like the blue smiley face is going to be this much and the yellow smiley face is going to be this much, and it's going to help you in the organizing and setting up of your garage sale. This is going to save you a ton of time, and it's really easy. When people say how much is it, you can just refer them to the board. So I absolutely love reading, and if you didn't know this, I am a teacher and I used to teach elementary. So when I taught elementary, bookmarks were one of the things that kids collected and absolutely loved. And this is a really fun way to use stickers, is by creating your own bookmarks. Now, you don't have to just be a teacher to create bookmarks. Kids of all ages love bookmarks, so grandkids, your own kids, you can have them pick out a sticker sheet at the Dollar Tree and they can go to town making their own bookmark. It also makes them really excited to read. For my bookmark today, I'm just using some leftover wall stickers, and I'm just going to create this really cute rainbow loves bookmark. I love this rainbow sticker from the Dollar Tree. I made another craft with a bigger part of that, and I will leave a picture of my big craft here up in the top. But I love how this turned out. It was super easy to make, and you can just put out craft supplies and let you or your kids go to town making your own special bookmarks. One really easy way to use stickers is to put it in your home decor. There is a lot of different options that you can use for home decor and stickers. They have large stickers, they have small stickers. You can make big projects, you can make small projects, but here is a couple of examples from previous videos, and I will link those videos for the full tutorial down in my description box if you want to check that out. But these are just some examples that you can use to make home decor. I love stationery, notebooks, journals, all of those things, and I found these really cute ones at the Dollar Tree. They have two sections. It's kind of like two little notebooks in this one whole notebook, but they have these two sections, and I thought we could use these brown label kind of stickers that they have over in the sticker section to create two tabs on each one of our notebooks that's in this one combined notebook. So we're going to take these two brown stickers, we're going to attach them up at the top of our brown piece of paper that separates the notebooks. We're just going to use two of the same type of sticker. We're going to put one on one side, one on the other, and that's going to create your label. It's attaching to paper and attaching to another label, so you have a little bit of security there. You can then just write on your tag whatever you would like your section to be. We're going to repeat that process on the second part of our notebook, and then there you have it. This is a super simple, easy way, and you can create many of these for different types of things that you need to use these notebooks for. So I am I'm lucky enough, I guess, to have two laptops, one to go to school and one to have at home. And believe it or not, my two laptops are the exact same computer. So sometimes I get confused when I have them both out or if I'm doing work on one, and it's really nice to have a distinction. So we're going to use these clear stickers from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add one to the front of my laptop. Now, you don't have to have the same problem as me with two laptops. If you just want to add some pizzazz to the front of your laptop, you can go ahead and do that. These are removable, so when you're done or you don't like it anymore, you can just take it off and throw it away. It's a really nice way to jazz up the front and to give you some pep if you're using, like me, one of these motivational stickers. But this is a super easy hack just to add a little bit of sunshine to your day. So I love cooking. It's one of my favorite things to do in the summer when I have a lot of time. As I mentioned in my thrift flip video that I just did recently, I love to collect old recipe books and recipes from other people. So one really fun way that you can use these stickers is to jazz up some recipe cards. I'm going to show you guys here with this s'mores dip that I created. Now this is also a Happy Planner recipe book. I know, I'm addicted to the Happy Planner, but this is really fun. So I went ahead and just created this on one of their papers. And then I found these really adorable s'mores stickers. They have a marshmallow, a graham cracker, and then they have a s'mores together. And I'm just going to place them various places around our recipe. This would look really cute as a gift. You could give marshmallows, chocolate, and graham crackers together with the recipe card attached. That would make a fun Christmas gift. Or you can just use this in a recipe exchange, or even for just yourself if you're like me and like to do scrapbooking recipes. But here it is. I just love how this turned out, and you can use all kinds of various stickers. They have fruit and vegetable stickers at the Dollar Tree as well. I saw them there yesterday. So this is another fun gift idea. You're going to pick up one of these water bottles at the Dollar Tree along with these water bottle stickers. They also have long stickers. These are just vinyl stickers that you can place anywhere. We're going to place this just at the front of our cup, and it says "Drink Up Buttercup," which goes perfectly with this cup. You can give this as a gift or keep it for yourself. A super simple hack to use with these stickers. I know a lot of people do organization in the beginning of the year, January time, but as a school teacher, summer is sort of the beginning of my year. And so that is when I tend to do all my organizing, cleaning, and sort of that spring cleaning thing, which is really, I guess, summer cleaning. But I am going to show you these bins at the Dollar Tree that I love to use. I'm redoing my craft room, and they have been a lifesaver. You can use these stickers to add to the bins, and then you have this total organized system. So if you're like me and have kids at home, one of the things that drives me crazy is getting them to do their chores. So a fun way is to use one of these teacher reward sticker charts, and you can make that into a reward or a chore chart. So you're going to take one of these wipe off boards from the Dollar Tree. You're going to take this sticker / reward kit pack from the teacher section at Dollar Tree. I'm just going to go ahead and tape on one of these pieces onto the wipe off board. Then you're going to list the chores next to it, and then once your child, grandchild, whoever does the chores, you can use these little stickers that come in the pack, put them next to it, and then however you choose to do that as a reward or for them finishing their chores, this is a great way for them. They can also put the stickers on, and it's just a really nice visual for them to see whether or not they've completed their chores for the day or week or month or however you want to set that up. It's a really fun hack because these all come together in one pack for $1.25. So my next hack has to do with birthdays, and since my birthday's coming up, I wanted to share with you something that sits by my bed that I got last year for my birthday. Last year I went to Build-A-Bear for my birthday, and I had each one of my family members make a Build-A-Bear of some kind for my birthday party. It was so fun. I highly recommend as an adult doing something like that. We had a blast, and she sits by my bed, and I think about that often when I go by, and I just really love that memory. But for this next sticker hack, you guys, is to make a birthday card. And all we're going to do is pick up one of these sticker packs that has to do with birthdays. I get my cards kind of pre-made from Hobby Lobby, but you can also just use scrapbook paper or any kind of paper to create your own card. You're going to lay it down in any pattern that you like. I just liked this cake. It says celebrate. We're going to open it up and use another part of our sticker to put as a sentiment inside. Gives you plenty of room to write, and there you go, a really cute card that's homemade that didn't take very much time at all. So I'm a total planner person. I absolutely love planners. I have 5 of them that I use on a regular basis, and yes, I said 5. But I absolutely love the Happy Planner, and they have a whole sticker system of their own. But you can pick up stickers at the Dollar Tree, and I'm totally obsessed with decorating my planner with these stickers. I've been using these Happy Planners for years. If you want to check them out, I will link 2 people down in the description box that have channels that you can check out as far as decorating, and then I'll leave a link to the Happy Planner. This is not sponsored by them, just a product I absolutely love and have been using for about 5 years now. For the planner page, all we're going to do is lay out our monthly layout. Now, if you have a regular planner or one that doesn't have these discs where I'm able to take mine off, no worries. You're just going to open your planner, calendar, whatever, and you're going to arrange your stickers on there in any way that you like. Now, they have more functional stickers at the Dollar Tree as well. You can add those there instead or inside the monthly or the weekly, daily pages that they have. But this is a really great way to add a little pizzazz to your planner and something that you get to look at, and it adds more fun to using it, I hope. Anyway, it does for me. We're now at the end of the video, and it is your turn to vote. So I would love to know which one of these hacks was your favorite. Are you currently using any of them, or are you going to use any of these in the future? If you want to keep on crafting with me, here is another video that I think you will love. And as always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!